Audit report amada Manipurda PM Kisan scheme mapungfan implement tauramdaba thengnabadagi FIR ama lodge tawkhre haire. Minister of State for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Ramnath Thakur na hai scheme asigi makhada eligible oidaba lawmi singda transfer tawkiba senfam khudimak khongolaknaba state amadi union territories singda khangankhre. Manipur scheme ase implement tawbada aran ahui kaya yaure haibadu accountant general da lankhalaki ba audit report amadagi khangbang ngamle. Masiga mari lenana state na FIR amasu lodge tawkhre haina mahakna makhatana phongdokhe. Panba yabade PM Kisan scheme ase kumja lising ani taramapan ge February da launch tawkhibane. Central sector plan asina masagi lofum leijaba lomi singda selgi mating panglibane. Scheme asigi makhada beneficiary amada chahi amagi oina installment ahum thokna lupa lising taruk ki senfam piri. Senfam sing asi lomi sing adugi Aadhaar seeded bank account singda direct benefit transfer ki kuthangda pibane. Scheme asi hek horokpadagi center na housing faubada lupa lakh ahum dasmik taruk nipan gi senfam installment tarama panda disburse tawkhre hari.